What's up? It's Deb from Two Market Girls. I'm doing a solo video today. In the vein of doing hauls and home updates and kitchen updates, I thought I would do a little kitchen haul today because since I last updated about moving into the TMG kitchen, which I've now been in here for a couple months now, I've gradually been trying to stock up on anything that you didn't see me unpack in the last video. I'll link my unpacking in the top corner so you can go check that out. But a lot of that stuff was hand-me-down, so as I was cooking, or more so as Kat and I were filming videos here, every time it'd be like, oh, I don't have that yet, I don't have that yet, I don't have a lot of stuff yet. So I have acquired some things. I was lucky enough to receive some gift cards from one of my best friends and her parents for Homsense, which I think you have Homsense in the States, like Homsense, Marshalls, Winners. It's like TJ Maxx. Like we have Homsense, Marshalls, and Winners here. So I did most of my shopping there, and then I did a little tiny bit of thrift store shopping. It wasn't as good as I was hoping it would be, but I thought I'd show you what I got. So this is like the majority of the haul, and then there's some stuff that I can show you that I've already bought and used. So let's get into it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future updates from this kitchen, from Kat's kitchen, and all of our cooking chaos as it has become. Let's do like the Homsense, Marshalls, Winners stuff first. Some of this is gonna be really on brand for me because if you've watched the channel before, you know that I like mini stuff, but some of it is practical, okay? Like this is a half baking tray, which it's adorable. I just love that it's so cute, but it's actually very practical for me. I live here by myself, so if I'm just heating up a small quantity in the oven, I don't want to use a full-size baking sheet because it's a lot of effort to clean those too. So now this is a lot easier to clean, and really it holds all that I need it to. And it was $8. So I am very happy with this purchase. This is one of the things that I was like actively looking for. Now in that same theme, this one was really just because it was mini. I don't have it totally good, and it almost matches. It's a little bit duller than my mixer, but it's still like that kind of seafoam. Would this be seafoam? I don't know, but it's a mini spring form cake pan, so I can make a mini cheesecake. I can make one of those mini, I don't know if we did the Milk Bar like open side cake, birthday cake that Christina Tosi made. I could make a mini one of those with this. So it was $5. When I saw the color and the size, I actually saw it twice before I bought it, so I had to go for it. Maybe that's my little treat. Also, this one is kind of a treat. I just like, this is one of the most classic maple syrup containers that I can think of. Like, it's really classic Canadian maple syrup, which is in this orange container. I bought it for the container. I'll use the syrup, obviously, but I'm gonna keep the container and it's just gonna become decor. So that was maybe just another fun one. This one, I think Kat will be happy to hear that I bought because she was really concerned that I didn't have a citrus juicer, and now I do. Okay, don't worry, Catherine. I got one now. This was $7, and I know it'll be worth every penny. So there we go. Okay, then I actually got two food things. I guess the maple syrup was food too, but this is like, actually I bought it for the food, not the container. So I got umami mushroom seasoning, which I thought would be really fun, really good to have. It has sea salt, onion powder, ground mustard seeds, porcini mushroom powder, spices, and chili pepper flakes. So I'm very excited to try that. It was $5. I kind of want to open it and smell it. Or maybe I'm not gonna open it. Oh, I got it. This is gonna sound really weird considering I just read the ingredients, but it's reminding me of stuffing or like dressing, like Thanksgiving. Interesting. Okay, I'm into it. This is basically like, I wish I could get all those fun seasonings at Trader Joe's, We don't have Trader Joe's here, obviously. So another one of those is chili lime seasoning. I bought chili lime seasoning at Trader Joe's last time we were there, way before, and I loved it. So now I have chili lime seasoning again. It's $5, just like the other one. And it is sea salt, organic chili pepper, paprika, dehydrated red bell pepper, lime flavor, citric acid, and ta-da! So I'm very excited to have both of these. That's all from that bag. But the other thing I got in that haul is this big, it's called a saute pan? Yeah, 11-inch, 4.2 quarts saute pan. So this is really good for like if I'm cooking some kind of pasta sauce and then you're mixing in the pasta and stuff. Like I have a frying pan that is about this size, but I needed something with higher sides so that I could mix and get more done in it. So this is what I went with. It also kind of matches my other pans, so I thought that was fun. And it was $35. This is a good investment. I feel good about this one. The other things I wanted to talk about are actually in this jar already, and it's something I got at Winners. But I got like this little set of, oh, here's the third one, whisks for like little sauces and stuff that you're just mixing up. 3 sizes, perfect for mixing little sauces, because honestly, that's something I do a lot. And they're just so cute. I've got my little cooking spatulas. There we go. I also got these bowls, which you'll see in some videos. They're kind of like that bamboo type material, but I just liked the color and the size, and they're really good for baking and mixing ingredients. So this was the only color they had, so this is the color. These are the colors that I got. I really like them so far. They're coming in very handy. That's the main stuff from Homsense, Winners, Marshalls that I got. Now, I did a little bit of thrift shopping. I really wish there was more stuff, but I'm still happy with my finds. You might have noticed every time we have made 2 like dough-based recipes, at least 2 so far, and I didn't have a rolling pin. I only had like the mini kind that I think you use for rolling out like dumplings or smaller little dishes, and I needed a rolling pin because I felt bad that every time Kat came over I forgot. This was $3 at the thrift store, and it's in really good condition, so yeah, I got a rolling pin. This one I really liked, just like if you're at a diner and you put maple syrup in it, and honestly it's because I put maple syrup in my oatmeal almost every day, and the top of my oatmeal, I'll show you, it's just in this, like this big Costco jug, and so the top is getting like really messy just from like pouring. So I thought it would maybe be better to have an actual pouring maple syrup thing, and I like the size. It's in pretty good condition, so I'll give it a really good clean. But other than that, it was $2. So I liked that find. Another thing, these you might have seen before because actually Kat has a set of these glasses. They're like an octagon, but I just really like the size and shape of them. So I saw them at the thrift store. They were 99 cents each. So I'll put them on my little bar cart, and then I can have little cocktails in them. I don't need more glasses. I have glasses, but these I just really liked, so I couldn't pass them up. Finally, just like a plain glass bowl, but not too big and not too small. I find that I have a lot of bowls that are smaller than this size and quite a few that are bigger than this size. So I was looking for something that was the Goldilocks bowl. And this was the only one I found that was in good condition and I liked. I kind of want something prettier, but this will also be functional, and it was only $4. So I figured it was a good find for now. You know, like I feel like I need like a bowl this size for soup, or if I was doing some kind of Buddha bowl. Like I only have one bowl that is good for that. So now at least I have this. So yeah, it wasn't my best thrift store haul. I was disappointed, but it happens. So those are my kitchen upgrades so far. It's been a slow process. I think I'm slowly gathering up lots of food. I think my next mission should be my spice drawer. It's pretty bad. it's just all packages of spices. And I think if you've been watching for long enough, you know that Kat used to have all jars. It was all very organized, and this is a disgrace to that. So I need to fix that soon. We'll see, I'll keep you posted. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed seeing some of the cooking in this kitchen since Kat has moved out. We are both very excited to cook in her kitchen and to cook in this kitchen. It's gonna be fun to, you know, swap sets depending on the video and depending on how we're feeling. But yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. I hope you are subscribed. If you enjoy like kitchen home hauls, I want to do a grocery haul at some point too. My grocery hauls are so random, but I will do a grocery haul at some point just to show that. And yeah, if you want more hauls of any type, let us know. If you enjoyed this, let me know. If there's anything here that caught your eye, or if you have recommendations for other things I should maybe look out for my kitchen, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching. This was fun. This was, what am I most excited about? Obviously these. How could I not be excited? Oh my gosh, this is just so cute. Oh, it was $5. I have no regrets. Oh! Oh my gosh. I love it.